Guys, tingnan yung gawa ni Tita Lovey. And this one also. Guys, DIY ni Tita Lovey. This one, this one, this one. And ito guys. Hi La! La! Hi! Si Labi ko. Hello! There's Tita Lerm. Dad! Dad! Tignan niyo guys, kumakain na si Daddy oh. Ayan, si Tita Joanne, si Kapoy Bot, Kuya Arnold, Kuya Ricky, si Tita Faye.
Hi!
And Sisi.
Pakita mo yung ginawa ni Tita Faye na pa.
Yeah, guys, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yung gawa ni Tita. This one. Pinaint niya. Diba? So cute. Ano to si Tita Lovey? Relax everyone. Ayo. Kiernan. Kaya naman. Ayan si Kuya Rick.
Hindi pa luto. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! O Kuya Van, magkay ka naman.
Hello!
I had to dry and dull skin, and thankfully I found this Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Lotion. Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Lotion gives brighter, glowing skin with a non-sticky feeling. Gluta-Hya Glow Up. Achieve the Vaseline Glow Up to live confidently in your own skin, can make the skin dewy and glowing, non-sticky feeling. How many aura points did I lose when I had dry and dull skin? Just like this. I feel you sis, but no more losing of aura points with my go-to body essential is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion. And guys, I just want to share my skin journey. Sobrang struggle ako sa skin ko before. Nahihiya ako to show off my skin. Kasi guys, super dry and dull talaga na skin ko before. And here's my skin before. And finally, I found the solution thanks to Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Lotion. And guys, here is my skin now. Grabe talaga nabuboost yung confidence ko. Got my skin now. Vaseline Gluta-Hya is the Holy Grail Serum Burst Lotion as it provides not just skin moisture but skin glow up. You guys, look at that. Diba? Super nag-glow yung skin ko. Like, look at that. walang halong biro to guys. I swear, I love it. Talaga nag-sleeveless na ako ngayon guys. Dati hindi ako nag-sleeveless. Like, puro ako naka-jacket, like that. So, ngayon, tingnan nyo naman, diba? Sleeveless na sleeveless tayo sa mga pictures, videos, and all. Diba guys? Look at that. This lotion has Glutaglow 10 times more powerful than vitamin C and hyaluronic that effectively boosts skin moisture. Transform your skin and be the one of the girls with glowing skin because it deserves bright and glowing skin and these products that delivers it. Join the thousands who have already experienced the Gluta-Hya Glow Up. Experience your most beautiful transformation yet, made by science, loved by your skin. Now available in 200 ml bottle, just within your reach.
Wala pa sila.
Sila Kuya Rai.
Sila Zoe.
Yeah! Chef Pei guys.
Ko, pengen.
Nagluto ng laksa.
Talaga.
Madam.
Madam, para sa wako.
Sige. Mamaya ako na lang.
Thank you.
Hey! Let's get laksa. Sige, nagluto guys. So, tingnan nyo. Barbecue. Cover tayo ng laksa here. Sige.
Ayan siya.
Ayan ako.
Check nga. Bitchat!
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Lasang chocolate.
Parang chocolate siya, guys.
Ito lasang chocolate.
Parang chocolate.
May chocolate sila sa loob.
Ay, kaya pala.
Chocolate
Butingga! Tama na kaya na siya.
Wow, naka-costume ng baby, oh. Wow, baby.
Say hi. Say hi ikaw. Hello.
Naka-turn na pala kayo.
Say hi. Say hi ikaw. Are you shy?
Yan. Okay lang yan.
1, 2, 3.
Zoe, baby. Baby, Zoe.
Heavy.
Hello. It's November 1.
Yeah.
All Saints Day. Hello.
Dad. Ay, kulit sa camera. Si Tito. Ikaw.
Hello.
Yun si Kuya Pan.
May sabi tayo din. Table. Natulog na kayo. Hi. Austin.
Hi.
Tangka di Austin. Chicken wing.
Kuya Pan.
Hello.
Ikaw. La.
Ano na ngayon?
Souls Day.
All Souls Day. And ilang months na si Mami?
Dad. Audrey. Hi. La.
Hello.
Hey,
For
you.
2 years yung Febita eh.
You.
Last 9.
Hi.
Last month.
You.
Hi. Yo.
You.
Hi.
Oh.
Ice cream from Ryan J. It's 33 months of Mamu, of my
Little
ate.
Hello. Hi, Audrey. Yan si Kuya Bal. Si Austin. Super tangkad niya na, guys. Grabe.
Oh, kami.
Hello.
Si Pretty.
Mag-hi, guys.
Hello. Hello, guys. Baby Audrey ganda. Ay, ganda. Wala siyang bulsa.
Yung hot fish, guys.
Ready po. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po.
Okay, 1, 2,
Kaya kita dali.
ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Yummy.
Paano pa? Paano pa?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Bye, Tita Lar.
Okay lang yun. Once a year lang yan.
Lappy.
Going
Oh.
It's almost gabi na. 3 days
Straight.
with my ate.
Yay. Gusto niya yung sunset, oh.